Hello guys and welcome to How To Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to use the freeze function on CapCut. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I've already imported a video and dragged it to the timeline. I'm simply gonna extend this marker at a point where I want to add a freeze frame. Now let's click on the video. And in the snap bar, you will find many options. Let us scroll to the right. And right here, we will find this freeze function. Simply click on it. And that's kind of how you add a freeze feature on CapCut. Now let's look at the web version of CapCut. I have already dragged this video to the timeline. Simply drag this marker to the point where you want to add a freeze frame. Let's click on the video. And on the snap bar, a similar feature must arrive, that is freeze. Let's click on it. Now let's simply play the video. And guys, that's how you use the freeze feature on CapCut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.